better angle. Just so you could get a size comparison of how big he is. Yeah, the males have longer legs. They're more leggy than the females. The mature males are anyway. Yeah, he's pretty big. He's huge. I don't think you want to go back in her enclosure, man. She is not feeling you. It's just about learning the species, how they behave. Even though each tarantula is different, they're kind of like people. Each one has its own personality and demeanor. And don't break your phone. They're nothing like people, but keep telling yourself that. They're just like people. A lot of people get that mistake. They make that mistake. All animals are just like people. Creation is creation. Creation is creation. Absolutely. That fuzzy ball thing on the back, what is it called? That's called the abdomen. Yeah, no, I totally understand that. And you can, this spider's pretty big. They get way larger than this. They get the size of dinner plates. Well, at least the females do. But I can feel this spider. How could I say it? There's some type of airflow coming from this spider. So as he's on my hand, I can feel some type of airflow on the surface of my hand coming from this tarantula.